Guys, been quiet for a while since getting back from Blade Rest. I have some updates on the knife, and gonna flip the camera around and show you what I've been doing. So, as you can see here, I got disassembled, got one put together here. So, after talking to people at Blade West and getting some feedback, I got some criticism on my lock face and my lockup. So, what it does now is it does that, which, to be honest, I didn't think I didn't think it was a big deal, but now it seems more of a big deal. So, I have been working on that slowly because I don't want to put out a knife that's not just right for my first one. So, as you can see here, this is the original design. You can see the lock face here is different than this is the new design. So it's I've put a different angle on it. I've put a different taper on it here too, so it engages the lock bar insert better. See if you can see that. See that? There's the insert. So let me cut here, and I'll put it together and show you how much better it works. Hang on. So here it is, put together. You can see down there, you can see the different angle of the lock bar insert. I may change this angle, although I like the way that all of this looks on the outside, so I might not change that. It doesn't affect how the insert works, so I'll probably just leave that. So here, let me flip it out. So as you can see, that doesn't squeeze. Steps in there. It's a hard lockup. Now, no play this way. Don't play that way either. And then I didn't tune that or oil anything, so that are the changes that I make. I think I'm going to put some relief down here on the inside, so you get a better grip on your lock bar. I've had that requested by a few people, so I will go ahead and do that. So yeah, I am 95% of the way there on this. Titanium is ordered for the handles. All the titanium is ordered. Blade material, I have enough here, and it's relatively easy to get. And I should be starting to make these really, really soon. So thanks for sticking with me while I'm working on all this. Knives, I didn't expect them to be easy, but they're turning out to be more difficult than I expected. So that's the nature of getting into something new. Yeah, it's all fun though. Where's the fun if it's too easy? All right. Thanks for watching this episode of The Road to Blade. I've booked myself a table at Blade, so I will see you guys there. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and find me on Facebook and Instagram. I post a lot on Facebook and Instagram. So if you want to see what I'm up to, go and check me out. Have a great day, everyone. Thanks for watching, and I will be back in the next episode.